Welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, February the 22nd, 2019. And we're going to cover what happened today in the market. We're also going to take a look at the weekly candles on the Think or Swim platform that we look at every week as well. But before we get started with that, I just want to remind you, if you want to try out this software, we can have you go to this link right here and use Bullseye 15, and I can save you 15% on your first month or your first year. We have monthly plans and we have yearly plans. You can get the standard or you can get the premium. So all kind of options for you. And it's this software is designed to help you team up with an artificial intelligence so you can be a better trader, give you that little bit of an edge. I've been using it for a couple years now. It is great software, so I encourage you to give it a try. And with that, let's go ahead and take a look at today's markets. First, we're going to look at the daily, and you can see here a little bit of chop throughout the day, but we closed real nice. And if we take a look here, at the 200 moving average, it's way down here. We've got the 20 crossed above it, so we're looking real good. We're consolidating right up here real nice. We are at some resistance levels that we have to get through, but looking very nice on the daily. We'll take a look at the weeklies here in a minute. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the Qs, and let me get my... There we go. And the Qs, if we take a look at those, we can see that the 200 is coming right across here. Yesterday we closed below it, and today we're closing just above it. So we're fighting that 200 right here, but hopefully we're going to be able to hold that and break through eventually to the upside. So that is what the goal is. A little bit of chop here throughout the day, but not terrible. And with that, let's go ahead and move on to the spiders. And with the spiders, you can see we've got the 200 down here. We're consolidating up here real nice above it. We do have that resistance level. If I back this chart out a little bit, you can see it right here. We've got to get through this area right in through here. So if we get through that, we're going to be home free, and it's going to be interesting to see if we get a little bit of a pullback, or if we hit there and fill totally, which has happened before. If you look at this one, we hit and we came back, and then we went back up, and then look at this one. Of course, that's when the Fed was involved. So now we got the China talks and the trade talks going on. So let's see what happens there. With that, let's go ahead and bring in our weekly charts. And just as a reminder, on the left side of the screen, we have the 4 days of the week, since the market was closed on Monday. So we have the 4 daily candles, and over here we have the weekly candles. So if we take a look at, we'll start with the Qs on this one. And you can see here as it populates, a lot of chop in the Qs during the week, but when it was all said and done, and let me get this to go there. There we go. Let's see, we have 9 weeks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks in a row. Closed near highs. We are above that 50 moving average, holding it. So the Qs are looking very nice there. The diamonds, we'll take a look at those next on the weekly, and you can see the 4 days. We had that, Thursday, that big pullback, and then, nice recovery today, and the same thing, 9 weeks in a row, and, they're calling that the V bottom. It goes there. But I will point out we did have a little consolidation here and a little bit here. So I would think that's a good sign. But it's going to be just interesting to see how this plays out in the long run. And we take a look at the spiders, and the same kind of look on the daily chart, and the same look on the weekly chart. The 9 weeks in a row, we've got the 8 crossing above the 20 here. We're holding above the 50. So as far as the charts are looking, they are definitely bullish. So you probably don't want to be short right now, but let's see how long this bullish market can hold up here. And now with that, let's go into Holly and see how she did today and for the week. Holly Grill had 10 trades today for a loss of 80 cents. Her risk on profit was 19 cents. And we had our best trade was MDC for 21 cents. And our best risk on was AA. She actually hit the stop on that. And as what happens a lot of times is you hit the stop and it turns around and performs. Ended up making 38 cents on the day. Had you held it, now Holly 2.0 had 5 trades for a profit of 19 cents. Risk on profit 47 cents. Her best trade was XL, made a 12-cent profit. And got out for a timed exit. Risk on was 18 cents. And the best risk on trade was SCVL, and that was 11 cents risk off, 26 cents risk on. And let's see here. I will point out we had all long trades here, all long trades here. Moving on to Holly Neo, we had 14 trades, $1.86 profit, risk on profit $6.11. By golly, she was on fire. Let's take a look at that. First of all long trades. So we had a day here with no short trades at all. We have 2 here that hit the target, Sunrise Mover, and let me go ahead and move those charts up so that you can at least see them. We're not going to go through them real heavy to get through everything we have to, but you can see here HMSY, $1 on the risk off, hit the target. She got out, continued on for $2.19 to close the day out. So very nice trade. And then we had CIB, $1 on the risk off, another target hit. Now that one did pull back after she got out, so only 48 cents on the risk on. And the best trade was the HMSY on the risk on category. So that is your Holly update. Now let's go ahead and pull in the Excel spreadsheet and take a look how we finished the day and the week out. We had 29 trades total for $2.85 profit, risk on profit $6.77. So for the week we're at 107 trades. $2.88 was the risk off profit, and $11.10 was the risk on profit. So that is the Holly report for today. And just a reminder, if you want to follow me, you can do that at bullseyetrader.com. We now have an email sign up so that you can log in. We're going to try to do a weekly summary. You can follow the YouTube videos if you want to, catch things on a daily basis, but I'll probably start doing a weekly email that I send out to all the, email subscribers. You can like me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. Maybe drop in a comment. And in the bottom right there, you can always subscribe to the videos. So, hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.